In recent months, the skies over the United States and other parts of the world have become the stage for mysterious appearances that have puzzled scientists, aviation experts, and the general public. Recently in New Jersey, several residents reported sightings of unidentified flying objects that defy conventional explanations. These reports add to a global wave of unexplained phenomena, reigniting debates about the existence of extraterrestrial life and raising questions about the transparency of authorities in sharing information about these events. Get ready, because this video will reveal the latest details about these sightings and the impact they are causing. In New Jersey, the most recent sightings occurred on a clear night, when numerous residents reported bright lights and erratic movements in the sky. Social media was flooded with videos and photos showing what appeared to be a disc-shaped object, performing maneuvers impossible for conventional aircraft. In one of the most shared recordings, the object can be seen hovering for a few seconds before accelerating and disappearing at an impressive speed. According to reports, the sighting occurred near Newark International Airport, which drew even more attention as pilots and air traffic controllers also confirmed the presence of something unusual in the area. A commercial pilot, who chose to remain anonymous, described seeing an intense light at a higher altitude moving erratically. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, stated that it is investigating the case but has not released any conclusions so far. However, these events are not isolated. In other U.S. states, such as Nevada and Arizona, similar reports have emerged. In Nevada, for instance, a group of campers claimed to have witnessed a triangular object emitting blue and white lights. Meanwhile, in Arizona, a team of amateur researchers managed to capture thermal images of an object appearing to emit heat in a way inconsistent with any known aircraft. The situation becomes even more intriguing when considering global sightings. Recently, in Australia, a helicopter pilot captured footage of an unidentified object moving in circles at an incredible speed before disappearing into the ocean. Similarly, fishermen in Japan reported seeing mysterious lights emerging from the water, leaving a glowing trail in the night sky. Experts in ufology believe we are living through one of the most intense periods of UFO activity in modern history. Many point to the growing amount of audiovisual evidence, such as high-resolution videos captured by smartphones and security cameras, which make it harder to refute these accounts. Stanton Keller, a renowned ufologist, recently stated, "The increase in sightings could be a sign that we are on the verge of a monumental discovery." Still, official explanations remain far from conclusive. Some authorities suggest that many of these sightings can be attributed to drones, weather balloons, or even natural phenomena that are not yet fully understood. However, these explanations fail to convince everyone, especially in cases where the reported maneuvers defy known laws of physics. Another controversial issue is the U.S. government's approach to the phenomenon. Last year, the Pentagon established the All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office, RO, to investigate unidentified objects in U.S. airspace. While it releases periodic reports, many critics believe transparency is still limited. They argue that authorities are aware of something much larger than they are willing to publicly admit. In the scientific community, the topic continues to spark heated debates. While some scientists call for more studies to systematically investigate the phenomena, others dismiss the idea that these sightings are connected to extraterrestrial life, attributing them to misperceptions or highly classified military technology. Even so, we cannot ignore the impact these events have on society. The increasing media exposure, along with the viralization of videos on social media, is changing the way the public perceives the UFO phenomenon. For many, the idea that we are not alone in the universe has shifted from a distant possibility to something more tangible. What do you think about all of this? Are we on the brink of a historic revelation? Or are these phenomena simply natural events or the result of advanced human technology? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future updates on this fascinating subject. The universe still holds many mysteries, and together we will continue to uncover them one by one.